back to another episode of Vicky's Daily Stand-Up. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what is OOP. OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming. In contrast to functional programming, object-oriented programming gives the ability of 4 principles. So it includes encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. So in today's video, I wanted to kind of go deeper into every single principles and kind of explain with a very simple example and really help you to understand exactly what that means. So the first thing is encapsulation. Each object has its own private state and you are allowed to access to that object through its public methods. Think about this game called Sims. In that game, I would be able to click on the same method and be able to make that person do certain things. So for example, if I wanted to eat as Victoria, I can also communicate and understand the other object, which also has a public method called eat. The second thing is called abstraction. So abstraction is kind of like a updated version of encapsulation. So abstraction is when you are calling that method, it will return what you need from that object without telling you exactly how the implementation of that specific method works. A way to really think about this is think about a coffee machine. When you're using a coffee machine, you know that you click on this button and then you click on the other button and then the coffee comes out. But it doesn't necessarily tell you exactly how the coffee is making inside of the coffee machine. The third thing is inheritance. Inheritance means is that the child class reuses all the fields and methods from a parent's class, and it can also implement its own methods. Let's say that if Victoria is a class, and when Victoria has her own kid called Vicky, and she also automatically inherits the properties of what Victoria has. She would have a public method called dance, and she would also have some characteristics that also inherited from Victoria. For instance, she would also love to eat. So that is basically what inheritance means. The last thing is called
polymorphism.
I can't pronounce that word. So the child's class have the ability to build up on top of what it inherits from the parent's class. So what that means is that the children class inherit from the parent class. So the children class would have what the parent's class has, including the public methods, the properties. On top of that, the child's class also can build up its own methods based off the methods that the parent class has. So that was it. That was the 4 principles of object-oriented programming. I hope this helps a little bit for you to understand a little bit better. If you enjoy this kind of content, maybe check out other videos of mine. Click here, there to find out more contents that I can explain to you. And give me a thumbs up, leave comments down below if you enjoyed this video, share it with people that are also confused about this concept. You know, maybe that helps them to click a little bit. And that's it. Peace.